So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the LUSH kitchen subscription box for September. I cannot quite believe that we are already on September's box. I feel like this year has gone by so quickly, and I just can't wait to dive into this one because this one is no ordinary kitchen box. This is in collaboration with Glitterbox. I did a whole video on Glitterbox and LUSH's collaboration a month or so ago, and I didn't realize they were going to be collaborating with LUSH for a kitchen box. I am so excited to dive into this. I have no idea what's inside. I've seen no spoilers, so let's dive in. I cannot wait. But before we do, actually, obviously, if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you do. I would really appreciate it, and I am aiming to hit 11,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't subscribed, please do. But yes, without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Oh, okay, opening up the box, the first thing we have is this. This is just like a little leaflet with a QR code on the back. I won't scan that now, but that is there for me later. I am so excited about this. This box smells incredible, so let's just dive in. I am too excited to wait any longer. Let's go. So the first thing we have is oh, okay, the first thing we have in the box is the Candy Fluff kitchen exclusive dusting powder. This sounds amazing. If you guys don't know, a dusting powder is essentially like LUSH's version of a talcum powder. So you can put it on after your bath, you can put it on after moisturizing, and it just gets rid of that greasy feeling. Like, I hate moisturizing, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, it's my least favorite activity ever, but putting this on top, you kind of get rid of all that horrible sticky greasy feeling. So I love these. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got lime oil, synthetic musk. Is that it? Is it just gonna taste? Is it gonna smell like limes? Let's find out. I am so confused. This smells like Snow Fairy, which, okay, I feel like a little bit, I don't want to say disappointed, but we had the Snow Fairy dusting powder before, so it kind of feels like the same thing, just a different colour and a different name. However, I am excited. I love the smell of Snow Fairy, so that is the first item. Very excited about that. Next up in the box, we have got this excites me. This is the sort of thing that, in my opinion, makes these boxes worth it. When you see a tiny little box like this, you know something good is going to be inside. So let's open it up and see what it could be. It could either be perfume, it could be a room spray, it could be a pillow spray. Let's see what it is. That is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Glitterbox LUSH Shake and Spritz Glitter Body Spray. This is exciting, my goodness. So they came out with this, I thought, for the collection, and I went into LUSH actually to find it, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I'm excited. Let's just... Can you guys see it? Probably not. That is insane. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, this smells, hang on, this smells kind of like garden, not gonna lie. It smells, what is that smell? So ingredients wise in this one, we have got grapefruit oil, petitgrain oil. I think that's it, but it smells very earthy, very musky, very like mature, but it also has like a very strong citrus smell. Also, I'm so sorry if you can hear cars going past. It's gone 9 p.m. You would think there'd be no cars, but there is many a car driving past. That smells really good. The glitter, I don't know if you guys can see it. Incredible. I'm so excited about this. So yeah, that is the next item, and I am very excited about that. So love it. Next up in the box, we have got, I think that's all the products that are kind of non-naked. So let's move on to all the naked products. We have got, oh, okay, we have had this before. Yes, we have. This is very cute. Let me pull this one out. So this is the Heartbeat Bath Bomb. If we haven't had this before, we've definitely had something similar. And fragrance wise, it's rose jam. Is it? Wait, yeah, it's got to be rose jam. That smells incredible. So good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got lemon oil, rose absolute, geranium oil, cocoa butter. Yeah, it's rose jam. That is so good. I love the smell. I cannot wait to use that. This is beautiful. It's like a really nice like candy pink colour with 3 gold glittery bath melts inside. It smells amazing. That is so cute. I love that. That is delicious. The next item we have, oh, okay, I missed actually a bottle. So this is another bottled product. This is the Glitterbug body lotion, and this one says neroli rose and vanilla. Let me see the ingredients. So we have got almond oil, neroli oil, rose absolute, vanilla absolute. I'm excited to smell it. Let's have a smell. Wait, let me just have a smell. This smells, wait, has that got glitter in it? Hang on, either I'm covered in glitter or this has got glitter in it. I can't tell. Oh, it had, wait, I think this has got glitter in it. Oh, it has got glitter in it, wait. I can't tell if I'm covered in glitter or if this has glitter in it. I think this has glitter in it. I mean, it would make sense with the name Glitterbug. I feel like it should have glitter in it, but that smells really good. It kind of smells, I'm not gonna lie, like a generic body lotion, but it's very fresh, very light, very clean smelling. It smells really good. That is really fun, something different. I love that, and again, glittery. I feel like this whole range, I'm really struggling to see if this is glittery, but I'm pretty sure it is, yeah. I can see it at the bottom there. We have a glittery body lotion. We love a bit of sparkle, so I love that. The next item in the box we have is, ooh, okay, this again looks quite familiar. This is, I guess, the Happy Bubble Bar. Let me have a look. Yes, this is the Happy Bubble Bar, and ingredients wise in this one, we've got orange flower absolute and sandalwood oil and tangerine oil. What is that smell? That takes me back. That smells like Lush when I first started working there. What is that smell? That's so nostalgic. Oh my goodness, this is going to annoy me. Anybody down below, what is this smell, please? Because I cannot figure it out. Oh, that smells like something. That smells like, is it Christmas Eve? What is that smell? We've definitely had something in this smell. Again, this one is also covered in glitter. I think glitter is the running theme of this box, but that smells insane. That smells so nostalgic. I feel like it's Christmas Eve-y, but not. It's very fresh, light, very gentle smelling, but I love the sparkles. So that is the Happy Bubble Bar. Again, a very fun product, and my hands are now blue and I am covered in glitter, which I'm not complaining, but I smell so good right now. And last but definitely not least, we have got, oh, okay, this is a purple bath bomb, and this is the Glitter Bomb, which I am assuming is going to be full of glitter, which I'm very excited about. Ingredients wise with this one, we have got grapefruit oil, petitgrain oil, and I think that's it. Again, oh, that smells, wait, does that smell the same as something I've just smelled? Wait. I feel like this smells the same as the body spray, but I might be wrong. I feel like I'm smelling 18 smells at the moment, but it's very earthy, very fresh. It has got a slight tinge of garden, but I'm not going to be mad about it. It's very fresh and gardeny. Delicious, I love that. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for September. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below, did you get this box? Did you not get this box? What was your favorite and least favorite item? I would love to know. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you love my Lush videos, there is going to be a Halloween haul coming very, very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But yes, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.